Kotak Special Opportunities Fund. Are you curious to know if investing in the Kotak Special Opportunities Fund will help in your wealth accumulation process in the long term or not? Let us find out the answers to your question through an in depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decisions to reach your financial goals in a faster and smarter way. Before analyzing this fund, let us first understand what is this NFO about and just some basic features about this NFO. So this NFO opens on 10th June 2024 and is open until 24th June 2024. And some of its key features are it belongs to the category of the equity scheme thematic, and it also has a open-ended fund type. It has Nifty 500 TRI as its benchmark. The minimum amount needed to start investing in this NFO is just 100 rupees. The fund manager for Kotak Special Opportunities Fund is Mr. Devendra Singhal. The exit load for this fund is 1% if you redeem it within 1 year. So now what is the investment philosophy and the investment objective of this NFO? So the Kotak Special Opportunities Fund aims to invest in opportunities presented by special situations such as company specific event developments or corporate restructuring or government policy change or regulatory changes and technology led disruption or innovation, or even just companies going through temporary but unique challenges and other similar instances. So, the investment objective for Kotak Special Opportunities Fund is to provide investors like you with long term capital appreciation by investing across all companies experiencing special situations and other special corporate actions. So, the suitability of this fund is this fund might be suitable for aggressive investors who are very bullish on new trends and emerging sectors. If you are an investor like that, then this might be a suitable fund for you to start investing in. Now, as we have understood the basic workings of the Kotak Special Opportunities Fund NFO, now it's time to understand what are the pros of investing in a fund like this. So, this fund is diversified among the top performing companies that undergo special corporate actions and special situations. And if you are an investor seeking for allocation to the new trends and emerging sectors, this might be a suitable fund. And in the market later on, if the new trends and emerging sectors performs and delivers highly well, it will definitely boost your overall return in your NFO. It applies the concept of high risk and high return. If you stay invested in a high risk fund like this for a long term, you might potentially maximize your overall return with a high return. So this might be suitable for an aggressive investor who's willing to take a lot of risk and who is bullish on the new trends and emerging sectors. So these are the pros of investing in a NFO like Kotak Special Opportunities Fund. Now, as we have understood the pros, it's also equally important to understand the cons of investing in a NFO like Kotak Special Opportunities Fund, because the cons will reveal the potential risk we might have to take while investing in this NFO. First, as we have already seen, this is a high risk fund, which means that you need to stay invested for a long term period. If you're a short term investor who is investing to achieve their short term goals, this might not be suitable for you and even become riskier for you in the short term. As in the short term, the market cycle may go to a may be very volatile and will even go through periods of no return, even up to a period of low return and even to a period of negative returns. So you need to consider this factor before investing in. Also, this fund will not be suitable for your core portfolio, because if you're choosing to invest your core investment portfolio where you're already investing to achieve your main financial goals, this fund might not be suitable to add into that core portfolio, because this is an NFO and we do not have sufficient information like track record to analyze whether this fund will perform in the long run well or not. Because as this fund captures the new trends and emerging sectors, we do not know if this will translate into stock market returns, because not all new trends and emerging sectors will translate into stock market returns in the long run. Also, if you add this NFO to your investment portfolio, core investment portfolio, you may overexpose your portfolio to negative triggers. So, as this is not flexible and dynamic when compared to other diversified funds, this can even add more volatility to your portfolio because it has high concentration risk, especially if the new trends and emerging invest in underperforms, then it will definitely impact the returns in your overall investment portfolio. Also, when investing in a special opportunities fund NFO like Kotak, you need to understand the timing of it, like when to enter, when to maximize your returns by entering into this fund. The circle of competence should be in your side. You need to know when to exit from this fund to just maximize your returns. If you do not know that kind of market timing, especially if you are a newbie, you will not know about that, because already even to experts the market is already unpredictable. So you need sufficient knowledge and experience to predict the market timing, which will not be possible for investors like us. So it's better if you don't in a fund like this through our core investment portfolio, because as an NFO we do not have sufficient information about it. So these are the risks that we might need to potentially face while investing in a NFO like Kotak Special Opportunities Fund. So, what is the final takeaway from this? Should we invest in the Kotak Special Opportunities Fund NFO or not? Is it worth investing or not? From our analysis, it's clear that a first time investor and a conservative investor who's not willing to take risk should avoid this one, because we do not have sufficient knowledge to predict the market timing in which the Kotak Special Opportunities Fund might perform well. And also, it as it involves a lot of risk, a conservative investor will not find it suitable to invest in. And if you do want to invest in a new trends and emerging sector fund, there are already existing new trends and emerging sector fund with a good track record. By good track record, we mean a track record with a track record of minimum 7 to 10 years. Because in 7 to 10 years, we will know how this fund has performed through the low return period and also the high return period of the market. So we can better analyze how it will perform and invest in it. So, and we can take a calculated risk. But without any sufficient proof, if we invest in the Kotak Special Opportunities Fund, it will turn out as a blind risk. If you're looking for funds to add to your core investment portfolio. If you do want to invest, please do invest through a satellite portfolio. Then you can invest in this. But to invest in your through your core investment portfolio to achieve your main financial goals is not advisable. Also, if you don't know when to enter and exit from the new trends and emerging sectors, then also you might it might not be suitable for you and you can avoid investing in this one. So our personal opinion is avoid investing in the Kotak Special Opportunities Fund NFO, as this is an NFO which we do not have sufficient information about, and we need to see how it performs in the future for at least a few more years before concluding whether this will perform well or not. Also, if you have any doubts whether to invest in this fund or not, and you find it very difficult to choose a fund to start your investment journey in, it's better if you consult with a financial planner, because a financial planner will definitely help you with lots of factors, because they will first consider the factor of your investment objective of the fund you want to invest in, and the risk profile you're willing to take, and the risk profile of the fund you wanting to invest, and also how much is the overlap ratio between your investment portfolio and the investment portfolio of the fund you want to invest in, and how much allocation you need to give to each fund you want to invest in to achieve your financial goals. So a professional financial planner will definitely consider all these factors and personalize a financial plan just for you to achieve your financial goals in an even more faster and smarter way. So in the long run, involving a financial planner in your financial planning process is definitely a wise move. And if you want professional guidance, book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of a professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more insights on financial and investment from leading experts in the finance industry, for that also we conduct regularly free live webinar, for which also you can register through the link in the description. If you like our videos, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.